Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo when you need to remove or replace brake light switch. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's the same for multiple models, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, even Punto. You will see that on the brake light switch. Why? Because practically Chrysler owns all these companies, guys, and they share their platforms and components. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So where is that brake light switch located now? So let me come this way. Okay, and I'm going to show you now. So you need to come to the driver's side, and you need to come where the brake paddle is located. Okay, you can see the brake paddle right there. And if you pay attention now, guys, okay, let me position it right here. On top of the brake paddle, okay, right here, you see that blue thing, that's the brake light switch right there. Now there is only one wire that attaches to it, but it has 4 different wires, but it has only one harness that you need to disconnect. And I'll get my hand on top of the gas pedal here, go on top. Okay, get to this brake light switch, turn it clockwise about 30 degrees. It comes out. Now the wire here needs to be disconnected. Okay, and it comes out, guys. That's the brake light switch. Now, the wire is right here. Let me see if I can pull it out. Okay, so you can see it. I want to show you. Okay, on that wire. Okay, it will not be able to get there, guys. But let's explain now about the brake light switch. This is it, guys. You can see it says Punto, Fiat, Alfa Romeo. This is the brake light switch. The wire connects right here. On the back side right here, you have one notch that you're going to press down and pull it out, but don't yank on the wires. Sometimes what you can do, okay, in some cases you can get a small screwdriver and press the tooth right here to release the wire. That can help if it's stuck. The brake light switch will be installed usually in that position like that on most cars. And in order to remove it, you need to turn about 30 degrees like that, and it will come loose and you can pull it out. You can see it's not complicated at all. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.